Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the Bob and Brad C2 Massage Gun. Oh, that's awesome, because it comes with the 5 massage heads and 5 speeds. Yeah, nice. To target specific muscle groups and apply the right amount of pressure to relieve our muscle pain. And quiet in 3,200 rounds per minute. With the unique Quiet Glide technology and the brushless high torque motor, the walking decibel is less than 60 decibel through the 5 speeds. Equipped with a rechargeable 2,500 mAh high-quality lithium battery, and it can be power a week worth of use after fully charging. And a convenient Type-C charging is possible. No worry about charging when we are traveling in different countries. This deep tissue percussion muscle massager can be charged by Type-C via our regular phone adapter or a 5-volt 2-ampere adapter itself. The rated voltage is 7.4 volt of the battery, and the battery capacity is 2,500 mAh. The charging time is 210 minutes, and that is easy because it is a global player. This massage gun by Bob and Brad is the C2 massage gun. It is a percussion massage for deep tissue muscle massager with 5 heads. Oh yeah. With shoulder massager for the back, for the legs, for the arms, for all kinds of muscle in your, for nearly all muscle in your body. Okay. Developed by the physiotherapists Bob and Brad, discover warm-up, pain relief, and recovery tunes from the most famous physiotherapists Bob and Brad. The 5 massage heads and the 5 speeds are suitable for different body parts and can meet different needs. The massage heads in different shapes can be used for different muscle groups and provide the targeted treatment for a quick recovery. The high calibrated massage gun with the brushless motor, super blocking torque, energy output without interruption, and double wave drive structure provides a stable operation. The maximum speed of up to 3,200 rounds per minute helps muscle recover faster, reduce the muscle pain and the muscle fatigue and lactic acid formation, promote blood circulation too, and improve the range of motion and flexibility, the relieve muscle stiffness, and much more. And the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun weighs only 0.68 kilogram and is easy to take with us anywhere and pack into any gym bag in the office or gym itself. It brings an own bag with it to us to increase the portability of the massager. With its ergonomic silicone handle, it sits comfortably in our hands. It takes the muscle massage gun with us and use it anytime, anywhere. And the Tesla 2,500 mAh original battery cells ensures a longer life and safety time. The Type-C fast charging port can be charged with a 5-volt 2-ampere adapter or power bank and provides more mobility nearly over the entire world. Made by physical therapists, they are totally honest with this. With them followers, and they will not put this Bob and Brad name on the product if they do not truly believe it is going to help us. Thanks, Bob and Brad. That's really cool. Bob and Brad started out with video channel 10 years ago and strive to offer the best get fit, stay healthy, and pain-free information directed toward people 0 to 101 years old. They are grateful to now have over 4 million plus people on their channels. Oh, this is a target for me too. Oh. With over 50 years of combined experience in treating patients, they know what features help and are highly selective in the choices. They offer the balanced product and try their best to keep things fair in order to provide us with the best available. The lifetime goal is to help as many people as they can. They will assist us with do-it-yourself treatment for common problems with a series of videos and follow-along printables. That's really cool, Bob and Brad, because this massage gun makes a good job. Software and hardware protection for multiple batteries. The battery pack has over voltage, over current, short circuit, over temperature, and other multi-protection function. And an air vent heatsink. The efficient the heat dissipation air duct to reduce the heat of the machine during use, which cannot easily get hot during prolonged use. And activate the nervous system and muscles. It stimulates and regulates the activity of the muscles and maintain the homeostasis of the body. For any activity on the muscle, the nervous system is notified. With the help of the massage gun, the receptors of the synaptic nervous system are stimulated and release lactic acid. If the oxygen in the blood circulation becomes tight and high physical stress, the muscle cells can temporarily produce ATP through lactic acid fermentation. The massage muscle accelerated recover by releasing these lactic acids. The massage gun can help relieve the muscle cramps and stiffness that can come from an intense workout. The muscle spasms often leads to ischemia in the muscles, which means that the muscle is not properly blood circulations. This can lead to spasms that are painful when touched. This machine will help us to fight against this. And the massage gun provides a deep tissue massage that helps to relieve this scar tissue. Those relieving the pain and restrictions, they can use the massage gun not only for sports injuries but also for post-operation scar tissues. You can see this massage gun is a really lifesaver for us all. You can use it at home, in the office, in the gym, and outdoor, of course. You have a ball head, suitable for the large muscle groups. You have a fork head, suitable for the neck, the spine, and the axillary tendon. You have an air cushion head, suitable for sensitive muscles relaxation. You have a flat head, suitable for all parts of the body. And the bullet head, suitable for joints, deep tissue, and trigger points, meridians, palms, and soles. You can see it's really easy. Get these balls into position, then start by pushing approximately 2 seconds on the power button, and it will start. The Bob and Brad massage gun will start. And then you can push again to select the 5 different speed levels. If you like to switch it off, you can make this by pushing another up to 3 seconds on the power button, and it will switch off automatically. And after 10 minutes, it was 10 minutes I think, this device will automatically shut down to prevent you from damage. This is the Bob and Brad C2 massage gun with 5 massage heads and 5 speeds, quiet in 3,200 rounds per minute, and convenient Type-C charging. It's really awesome for our entire muscle parts at your body. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.